figured out why it wasn't coming off. Missed a bolt. Don't forget these 2 washers. Other one. Somehow I've got the socket. 27. Right, loosen that off. 2 washers. There we go, it's off. It's all apart. These are the rollers, backing plate. Just do it like that. With your bushing. Done. This Mollossi kit in. Alright, let's do the unboxing of this. That is if I can unbox it. Take 2. Alright. This looks like fun. Oh, we're losing stuff. Not the best place to be doing this. Alright, there's the rollers. There's the new variator. I don't think it's directional on these ones. So we'll just send it. Alright, the rollers are in. And then pretty much what you get, stickers, new bushings for the plate that goes on here that, you know, does that. No idea what this ever is. And a new clutch spring. I think it's lighter and some grease to assemble stuff with. Don't put it in there though. And new bushing pin. Alright, here's our old variator system. So, off the backing plate that we need, so the old stuff right there. Set that to the side. Pull out your old bushings. We have new ones for that. Them aside. Or on the ground, that's fine. And these only go in one way, which is this way, I think. Let's put it in backwards. Well, there's our first issue. They do not fit. Or do they? Yes, they do fit. Don't worry. I was lying. This is quite hard to push in. little sliding bushings in. We'll grab this now. All the rollers are in, not directional. This should just slide on like that. Very tight, we'll say. Get our grease. And the bushing wherever it's decided to go. So the grease on here. And go on the inside, because why not? And actually no, screw it, I was gonna make a mess. Be generous with this stuff too. Wipe it all over. There we go. That is done. I recommend a rag, gets messy. Pretty much now, clean off your surface with brake cleaner or something, make it clean, and technically throw it back on. Now that's all done. Bit of grease on the crankshaft end and in here. Make sure it doesn't wear out, and on your clutch as well on the inside of it, because it's needle bearing. Alright, I'm going to put it back together. You got a bit of grease back here, up here, throw a bit there because why not. There is some inside of this. There you go. And wipe this in the round on there a bit. Good enough. And slide it all back together. There you go. That is back in. I'd recommend, if you're just doing this for the first time, I'd replace everything with new parts. This is only replaced not too long ago. It's pretty good still. I don't know if that movement's normal. Just say it is, because it's not the end of the world. I'm not going to be doing clutch spring today because it's kind of a big job, since this is literally giant. Oops. So yeah, do that another day. Right, start reassembling this thing all back together. Some grease on here. Grease is your friend. Bit in there. And that'll do. That's very messy. Alright, I'd say give yourself a bit of degreaser or brake cleaner, anything that cleans. Spray some on a rag or your finger. Clean this off. And I'd probably grab the rag that you don't have grease on already. Now, start sliding this back together. Can be fun. There we go. Okay, I got it on. That was very easy, trust me. Alright, get the clutch ball back on, put a little spacer back in. And I have to rewatch the video and where all the spacers went, but I think cover goes on and then yeah, that'd be about right. Alright, put in this one, goes first, right here, there you go. Just go straight back on. Make sure you clean the surface if there is any grease or anything, which I will real quick. There we go. The washers back on. Nut. I'm gonna go grab some Loctite. Alright, got some Loctite. And don't go nuts with this stuff. I only need a little bit. Oh, I'm losing everything. Just a bit. There you go. Put the nut back on, tighten her up. Alright, now it's all back together. Throw the belt cover on now. Always check your rear bearing right here. Yep, it's all good. Chuck grease in there. This Mollossi grease is good stuff. It's not cheap either. There's another one there. Right now I've got both the washers on there. Not too crazy to have Loctite on there. It's only to hold everything together. Well, to hold that straight into the belt cover. This is a 21. Pull the rear brake and tighten it up. Done. Then throw your belt cover bolts back in. And all your cover and stuff, and start it up and see what it's like. Alright, battery should be charged.